Hi there, I just wanted to make this quick video. I just researched some on how you can fix the issue for your Roborock S7 Max Ultra Arrow 44. What you can do. So first, open the app on your cell phone, you will send an arrow. Click on the arrow and it will show you a picture with highlighted location of the base where you need to clean. And you want to clean that area, it's inside the base at the bottom. So this is something that you want to do. A second thing, this is the person that wrote on Reddit, and maybe it's going to be beneficial. I hope it does. When you take off the filter, on the right in Waterdog, there is a little hole on the right. Take a flashlight to see it. Where the toothpick, I had to go in it and take off the dust. I blew also in it by the dirty tank to see if anything was stuck in it. Dry everything and it will be, oh, mine was this problem. So I don't know if it's going to actually fix the issue. This is something that I wanted to just like research on how you can fix it. If it didn't fix, I'm sorry, I tried. And thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.